A big welcome again. My name is Christian Scutaru and allow me to introduce myself a bit better. I'm a former Snowflake data superhero. I've been the only one selected from Canada many years ago. I passed most of the SnowPro certification exams and I wrote a lot of courses, Udemy courses about them. I didn't have time for the administration exam and that's all. I'm a former SnowPro certification SME. What does this mean? This means that a lot of the SnowPro certification exam questions have been either created or validated by myself. I'm highly specialized on Snowflake. You know, I've been like this for the past, I don't know, 7, 8 years. I served in this quality dozens of Snowflake customers, and lately I publish a lot of Udemy courses and books. As I was saying, I passed all from the first attempt, 10 out of 11 SnowPro certifications, certification exams. I just didn't have time to go for administrator, but I want to. At the beginning, I went to challenge myself. I went to these exams to become better in providing the clients, my employer, better services. And then I went to these exams, especially the specialty exams, the latest specialty exams, just to come up with practice tests and Udemy courses to help you guys if you want to follow my path as well. And I was saying that for about 2 years, more than 2 years, I've been part of the group that actually creates exam questions and validates exam questions at Snowflake. You will get a certification like the SnowPro subject matter expert, yes, SME, and you will participate with other Snowflake employees at defining basically the new questions for a certification exam.